Hey, what's up?
Hey.
How are ya?
Good. Thank you for letting me use your laundry facility. My washing machine is still out.
Still? Girl, no problem. It seems like you really needed to wash.
You have no idea. Anyways, how was your night?
It was good. I went to Revival last night. You definitely should have came. They tore that place down. I felt the Holy Spirit. You should definitely come next time.
How long does it last?
Girl, no, 5 hours.
5 hours?
5 hours. We had a good old time. When I tell you we left at like 11, 11:30, it was still people in the building shouting.
Yeah, it's enough for me, dog.
Girl, anyways, how was your night?
It was good, you know.
Girl, you just nasty.
Ain't no shame in my game.
Literally, I can see that.
Oh, speaking of the devil.
For real.
Hey, sexy. How's it going? Nothing, just with Mallory doing laundry since you know we made a mess last night. Okay. Well, I'll be with Mallory the rest of the day, so I'll come back tomorrow because I need a little break. You did work me out.
Oh my God.
All right, baby. See you tomorrow. Bye. All right.
Now he wearing you out. That's insane.
Timer set for 35 minutes. We're good.
All right, let's do it. We'll be back.
You wanna grab something to eat while this is drying?
Hell yeah, let's go to Firebirds and grab some lemon drops.
Hell yeah. What the hell?
What's wrong?
Bitch, I use bleach. My Savage Fenty. Oh, fuck. Damn! Alright guys, we are rolling.